Hey, how's it going everyone? Hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today I'm going to talk about how much protein eating only fruit. And there's some people out there that have been long-term eating just fruit, or about 95% of their diet is fruit. So I was curious, if I did a day of just eating fruit, how many calories I would get. I'm going to check the calories, the protein, the fat, the carbs, and the fiber of a day of only eating fruit. So that's all I'm eating today is just fruit, and we'll see how that goes. And if you're new to my channel, I eat a high raw plant-based diet. I am into fitness. I like to exercise, work out, and I also practice intermittent fasting. So I generally break my fast around 1 p.m. every day. I drink water throughout the morning to stay hydrated. And today I also broke my fast at 1 p.m. So I'm going to show you exactly what I ate, and then I will go over the amount of calories and macronutrients at the end of the video as well. And I do recommend for anyone that is looking to get healthier, lose waist, lose fat, and just be healthier in general and feel good, definitely add more fruit to your diet. I think, the more fruit we have in our diet, the healthier we can get. It's nice and water rich, has fiber, has the vitamins, minerals, things like that. So definitely suggest adding more fruit to your diet if you want to live a healthier life and feel good, have good energy, and get good workouts in as well. So let me show you what I'm eating today. Started off at 1 p.m. with some incredible watermelon. This is one of my favorite fruits, and we've been getting it in just now, just started up. The Yumi watermelons, Y-U-M-I. I'm not sure if it's Yumi or Yummy, but had 2.5 pounds of watermelon to start out the day. All right, I'm back. It's now 3 p.m. and I'm making a smoothie. Super simple smoothie. Right here I have 4 ripe frozen bananas. And what I did for these is I froze them with the peel on because I like the texture. And then what I do is I throw them in this tub of hot water for about 5 minutes. Let them defrost, and then they just come right out of the peel. Just pop them open, just like that. And then I got it's 2 cups of blackberries and about 11 big strawberries, just fresh. So I'm gonna put in with the smoothie. So this is a banana berry smoothie. Just blended that up, made just about a liter. I'm gonna enjoy that, and then I'll be back soon with what I'll be having next today on my all fruit day. Look at this thing, I just had to show it. It looks amazing, tastes delicious. Next up at 5 p.m., I sliced up a huge cucumber. It was an organic cucumber from Costco, and a pineapple as well. Super delicious, super hydrating. Then I finished it off at 6 p.m. with some banana and ice cream. It was 8 bananas, 6 of them were frozen, 2 of them were fresh, and about a teaspoon of cacao powder. And real quick, before I tell my macros for the day, I wanted to mention that I have a plant-based recipe ebook. It's in the description box. Make sure you check it out. These are some of my favorite plant-based recipes that I eat to stay fit and healthy all year long. So the total for the day was 2,300 calories. I had 500 grams of carbs, 80 grams of fiber, 12 grams of fat, and 38 grams of protein. So thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos. And I hope you have a great day. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye-bye.